Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is keeping fine and safe. Yes, so let's start our video today. Right, as you know, I'm giving you out various notifications. So in this particular video, I will talk about NIACL AO recruitment for 2021. Notification is out for 300 vacancies. NIACL AO 2021 notification is out, and there is good news for all the aspirants waiting for NIACL recruitment, as it has announced to conduct recruitment procedure for administrative officer, which is the AO post. New India Assurance Company Limited is a Mumbai-based public sector general insurance company that was established in the year 1919, and thereafter it was nationalized in the year 1973. Being one of the 5 completely owned insurance companies by the Government of India, which is the GOI, it is a leading global insurance group with its offices and branches spread all across the nation. For the year 2021, New India Assurance has introduced around 300 vacancies for Administrative Officer AO Generalist Scale 1 post, for which the online applications from graduates or postgraduates candidates will be accepted from 1st September onwards to 21st of September 2021. That is the last date. For more details about NIACL 2021 recruitment, you can go through this video and know about the vacancy, distribution, eligibility, important dates, examination pattern, and various other things. So NIACL AO 2021 notification. The NIACL AO 2021 notification PDF has been released on 24th of August 2021, announcing that the New India Assurance Company Limited is going to begin with the recruitment process for 300 generalist administrative officer for scale 1 vacancies. The NIACL AO notification 2021 PDF for AO has been published on the official website of NIACL AO 2021. Let's have an overview or a glimpse about the Administrative Officer Recruitment 2021, as I'm going to say you the table where the beginning dates are there, online application, exam preparation, and everything you'll find out there. The organization is New India Assurance. The post name is Administrative Officer Generalist for Scale 1. Vacancies are around 300. Application mode is online. Eligibility graduate or postgraduate. The age limit is around 21 years to 30 years. Selection process. Firstly, you have to appear for prelims examination, then mains, then interview. The salary will be around 60,000 per month. The official website is neuindia.co.in. Now talking about the exam dates of NIACL. NIACL has released the tentative examination date for NIACL AO 2021 examination along with the release of its official notification. It is necessary for the candidates to clear both the papers to be eligible for the further rounds conducted by the NIACL. Now, important dates for the NIACL 2021 examination are: the release date of official notification was 24th of August 2021. The release of the application form is 1st of September 2021. Last date to submit the online application form is 21st of September 2021. Commencement of phase 1 online examination will be from October 2021 tentative, but the correct date has not been published yet. October 2021 tentative, November 2021 tentative are the dates. NIACL AO 2021 vacancy. New India Assurance has introduced 300 vacancies for the post of Administrative Officer for Generalist for the NIACL AO 2021 examination. Category-wise vacancy breakdown I will give you in this video. For general, there are 104 vacancies. For scheduled caste, 46. Schedule Tribe 22, OBC 81, EWS 30, PWD 70. So the total vacancies are 300. Next, coming to NIACL AO apply online. You have to apply online through the link that will be available from 1st of September 2021 on the official website of www.newindia.co.in. Candidates will be able to submit their online application for NIACL AO 2021 examination till 21st of September 2021. Talking about the application fee, an application fee has to be submitted during the online application process for NIACL AO 2021 examination. All payments are needed to be done online, either through debit card, that is RuPay or Visa or MasterCard or Maestro, or credit cards or internet or banking, IMPS, cash cards or mobile wallets. The application fee is payable online from 1st of September to 21st of September 2021, both dates inclusive. General or OBC has to pay 750 application fee including intimation charges. For Schedule Caste, Schedule Tribe, PWD category, rupees 100 intimation charges only. Now I'll talk about the steps for NIACL AO 2021. Once the online application process is active, all the interested candidates and eligible candidates can submit their application by the steps that I'm going to say right now. Please follow them carefully. Step 1, you have to visit the official website of New India Assurance Company Limited at neuindia.co.in. Step 2, on the home page, click on the recruitment section appearing at the top of the page. Step 3, a new page will appear on the screen with all the recruitments for NIACL. Step 4, search for recruitment of 300 Administrative Officer Generalist Scale 1 2021. This tab will be applicable. Next, step 5, click on the new sign up button and fill up your name, contact details, email ID, address, and whatever is asked. Step 6, a registration number and password will be generated. Step 7, now you can click on the apply online link that will be generated after the registration number. Step 8, upload the documents, photographs, and whatever is required in the application form. The size of the photograph should be 4.5 centimeter by 3.5 centimeter and the signature should be with black ink. Step 9, submit the applicable application fee through online mode only. Step 10, click on the button submit and download the application form for further or future reference. Now talking about the dimensions of the documents, the photograph handwritten declaration should be in the dimensions that I'm going to say right now. Please be very particular about this. Handwritten declaration, the dimension should be 800 by 400 pixel. Size should be 50 KB to 100 KB. Photograph dimension should be 200 by 230 pixel. Size should be 20 KB to 50 KB. Left thumb impression dimension should be 240 by 240 pixel. Size should be 20 KB within 20 to 50 KB. Talking next about NIACL AO recruitment 2021, every time thousands of candidates appear for NIACL AO recruitment 2021 examination to get hired for this post of administrative officer, which is the AO post, which is a very prestigious post in this organization. The eligible candidates will be selected through a 3-stage selection process, that is the preliminary exams, main examinations, and the personal interview. The selected candidates have to serve for a minimum of 4 years, including 1 year of probation period, for which an undertaking will be signed at the time of joining. NIACL AO 2021 selection process. The eligible graduates or the postgraduates will be selected for NIACL AO 2021 through their performances in 3 different stages. That is, the candidate has to qualify in each and every stage to get selected for the post of Administrative Officer Generalist post. The stage 1 that I'm talking about is the preliminary exam or the basic examination. Stage 2 is the mains examination. Stage 3 is the interview process. So this is all about the thing. Now I'll talk about the exam pattern. NIACL AO exam pattern. Let's have a look at the detailed NIACL AO exam pattern for 2021. The pattern will be firstly prelims. The questions will be from 3 sections in NAICL prelims examination. That is English, reasoning, and numerical or quantitative aptitude. Next, there will be a sectional timing of 20 minutes for each section. There will be 100 multiple choice questions, which is the MCQ, for 1 mark each. There will be a negative marking of 1/4 of marks for each incorrect answer. That is 25% of the marks. For English language, the number of questions is 30. Maximum marks is 30. The duration is 20 minutes. For reasoning ability, number of questions are 35. Maximum marks are 35. And the duration for this is 20 minutes. Numerical ability, number of questions are 35. Maximum marks 35. And the duration for this is 20 minutes. So in total, the number of questions are 100. And the maximum marks allotted is 100. Duration for which is 60 minutes. Next, I will talk about the NIACL AO 2021 exam pattern mains. The NIACL AO mains is divided into 2 sections, that is the objective and the descriptive type, and the candidates have to pass each section separately. The duration of the objective type paper will be 2 hours, and for the descriptive, it will be 30 minutes. There will be 200 multiple choice questions or MCQ type questions and 2 essay or letter writing questions which you have to answer. The descriptive type test will be conducted in English language only and no other languages. Here also, there will be a negative marking of 1/4 marks, that is 25% marks for each incorrect answer. For English language, number of questions are 50. Maximum marks 50. For reasoning ability, number of questions are 50 and the maximum marks allotted is 50. For general awareness, number of questions are 50 and here also the maximum marks are 50. For quantitative aptitude, number of questions asked are 50, maximum marks are 50. So the total number of questions are 200 and the maximum marks are 200. Duration, which is the composite time allotted for this exam, is 120 minutes. Next, talking about the descriptive test, the duration of NIACL AO descriptive test will be 30 minutes and it will hold 30 marks. It will be a test of English language, that is letter and essay writing. NIACL AO descriptive test will be conducted in English and will take place online. That is, letter writing will have 10 marks, essay writing will have 20 marks. Next, talking about the interview process. An interview process will be conducted for the final selection of the candidates for the post of administrative officer. The ratio of the online examination and the interview process will be 80:20. NIACL AO 2021 syllabus. The preliminary exams of the NIACL AO 2021 exam will have 3 major sections, namely reasoning, numerical ability, and English language. Mains exam will have 4 sections in total. Apart from the objective test in mains examination, a descriptive test will also be conducted. Now, let's have a detailed look about the NIACL AO 2021 syllabus. English language will have reading comprehension, cloze test, fill in the blanks, multiple meaning or error spotting, paragraph completion, sentence correction, para jumbles or jumble paragraph, miscellaneous, etc. For quantitative, that is the quantitative aptitude, you will have simplification, ratio and proportion, percentage, number systems, profit and loss, mixtures and allegations, simple interest and compound interest, thirds and indices, time and distance sums, work and time added in the syllabus. It was not there, but now it is added. Sequence and series, permutation, combination, and probability. Data interpretation, mensuration, that is for cylinder, cone, sphere, sphere reasoning, coded inequalities, sitting arrangement, puzzle tabulation, logical reasoning, banking, direction, alphabetical test, data sufficiency, syllogs, that is the syllogism, blood relation, input-output sums, coding, decoding sums, alphanumerical series or alphanumerical sums. So this is all about, I have said about this. Now I'll talk about the salary. The basic salary will be 32,795 in the scale of 32,795 to 1610 to 1745, 62,315. The candidate will be salaried with a total emolument of approximately 60,000 per month for metropolitan centers, with the other allowances such as Jonas allowance, house rent allowances, city compensatory allowances, transport allowances, etc. So to know all about the details of the salary for 2021, you can click on the website and go through this. So I have given you all the details about the pattern, the examinations and everything. So I hope if you are an eligible candidate, then definitely you should opt for this examination and you should be having a great career ahead. So all the best for your career. Thank you for watching me out. Thank you.